Welcome to the Home Cool Gadgets channel, where you can find the latest gadgets that came in the market. Picture this: you're lounging by the pool, basking in the sun, and sipping on your favorite refreshing beverage. The only problem? Nowhere to place your drink without the fear of it spilling or getting knocked over. That's where the pool cup holder comes in. To save your time and money, we've completed our research and review 5 different models of pool cup holder on the market. You can see the link to the products in the description of the video below. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5.